Since its humble beginnings more than 100 years ago, 4-H has grown to the nation's largest youth development organization.
And a very important one. And these days, its scope is well beyond standard agriculture. Jan Burks, Haley Flattery, and Kelsey Fannin are joining us today with what's new in 4-H and some new numbers that show that kids really benefit from their involvement. Welcome to all. Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Jan, there's this new study talking about positive youth development, and it really reflects well on 4-H.
It does. They did about 7,000 youth across the nation, and they're showing that they're retaining in school and working in community development areas. And in Kentucky, we had 147,000 youth in 4-H that did science, engineering, and technology last year.
And that's something, Jan, that study showed that I thought was very interesting. The positive effect when it came to girls in their math and science courses.
Yes.
So, Kelsey, I'm going to ask you, do you find that that is the case? Being involved really helps you in those subjects particularly?
Yes. This group that we're targeting is the generation that is going to be leading us one day. And, you know, by teaching them these things, you know, ahead of time, that really helps them in the future to, you know, go into technology fields or just lead in technology in the future.
Oh, very good. Haley, I understand you you're both part of a council around the state where you talk about how important the program is and how it works. What are some of the things that you've brought here to show us that the program does and concentrates on?
Well, this year we are working with EcoBots, and one of the things that we're teaching the middle schoolers that we're going towards is how to make the EcoBot out of toothbrushes. So just household items, and the scenario is there is an oil spill on a beach, and they are to use the EcoBots and pipe cleaners and etc. to clean up the spill. And so we've just got simple batteries, little motors, toothbrushes, etc.
A little innovation.
Yeah, Jen, proof positive that 4-H at this time has grown into so much more than agriculture.
Yes, and we're still very heavily into agriculture, and but we're expanding. So we have biotechnology now. We're using the robotics. We're using GPS, GIS statewide, electricity. All of those things now are helping at the farms, but also in urban areas and rural areas.
Kelsey, as you look at this and talk about the fact that this has been a program that's been relevant now for 100 years, looking forward, do you think the youth of tomorrow will be interested in the same things, or the programs can be adjusted so that they are?
Yeah, I think, you know, technology is always going to be a part of our lives, and it's always going to keep growing. And these kids, I think they'll always be interested in these kind of things because, you know, with 4-H there are many opportunities. You can just do whatever you need to. So
it's an organization constantly evolving as needs and interests change.
Yeah.
4H.org is where you can find out all sorts of things about the local chapters that may be in your area as well as national initiatives. Ladies, thank you so much.
Thank you.